Hey there! Today we're making a cute and useful crochet coaster, perfect for your drinks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crochet fun. For round 1, start with a magic ring and crochet 12 double crochets 12F into it. Pull the ring tight and join with a slip stitch. You did it! The base circle is done. Tip: make sure your magic ring is tight enough so there's no hole in the center. Next up, round 2. In this round, we'll increase in every stitch. That means water 1, double crochet increase plus 1 chain stitch, all the way around. You should have 12 sets total. Great job! Look at your coaster expanding. Tip: don't skip the chain. It gives the coaster that nice, lacy look. Moving on to round 3. This time, repeat 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, and 1 chain stitch. So it's F, FV, CH, around. You're doing amazing. Your coaster is starting to bloom like a flower. Tip: place a stitch marker at the beginning if you're getting lost. Now for round 4. We'll do 2 double crochets, 1 increase, and 1 chain stitch. That's 2F, FV, TH repeated around. Yay! Keep it up. Your shape is looking so pretty and even. Tip: gently stretch your work to flatten it as you go. On to round 5. Repeat the pattern. 3 double crochets, 1 increase, and 1 chain stitch. So that's 3F, FV, CH. You're rocking this. Just 1 more round to go for the base. Tip: keep your tension even for a smooth, round shape. Round 6. Let's do 4 double crochets, 1 increase, and 1 chain stitch. That's 4F, FV, CH, repeated around. Woohoo! The coaster base is complete. You did an amazing job. Tip: block your coaster with steam for a professional finish. Let's add a little leaf for a cute touch. In round 7, make 1 single crochet, X, then 4 chains, skip 2 stitches. Great start to your leaf, it adds such a fresh detail. Tip: keep your chains loose so they're easier to work into later. Now for round 8, 1 single crochet, X, 4 chains, skip, 1 stitch, 1 slip stitch, SL, 3 chains, and finish with 1 single crochet, X. Your adorable little leaf is done. Tip: adjust the curve of the leaf with your fingers to shape it nicely. Now let's crochet a cute flower to top it off. Start with 12 chains, skip 3 stitches, then make 9 front loops, FW, 3 chains, and slip stitch to join. Roll it up into a flower and use your needle to sew through the base to secure. Then finish with slip stitch, chain, and fasten off. Ta-da! A beautiful flower to complete your design. Tip: use a contrasting color for the flower to make it pop. handmade crochet coasters ready to use or gift. You did an amazing job following along. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, subscribe, and share it with your crafty friends.